In this video, I'll show you how to create realistic motion in Kling AI and make your AI-generated videos look more natural. First, open Kling AI and start a new video project. Before writing your prompt, think about the exact movement you want to see in the scene. The key to realistic motion is keeping your instructions clear and natural. Instead of asking for many complicated actions at once, focus on one main movement. For example, if you're creating a person walking, describe a natural walking motion, realistic body movement, natural arm movement, and subtle clothing movement. You can also describe environmental motion. For example, leaves can gently move in the wind, clouds can slowly pass across the sky, water can flow naturally, and hair or clothing can react to the surrounding environment. Camera movement is also important. Use simple instructions such as a smooth tracking shot, slow push-in, gentle pan, or natural handheld movement. Try to match the camera movement with the subject's action. If a person is walking, a smooth tracking camera can make the scene feel much more natural. When writing your prompt, avoid combining too many different movements. For example, asking a character to run, jump, turn around, wave, and interact with several objects at the same time can make the result less consistent. After generating the video, preview the movement carefully. Look at the character's body, hands, face, clothing, and interaction with the environment. If something looks unnatural, identify the exact problem and modify your prompt. You can make the movement slower, simpler, or more specific, and then generate another version.